Don't judge a book by its cover. It means you shouldn't judge someone or something based only on how they look. Instead, take the time to learn more about them before making a decision. The new kid in class wore old clothes, but he turned out to be super friendly and funny. Don't judge a book by its cover. The restaurant looked small and boring, but the food was amazing. This shows why you shouldn't judge a book by its cover. At first, I thought the dog looked scary, but he was actually very sweet. Don't judge a book by its cover. Sarah thought the old, torn notebook was useless, but inside, it was full of beautiful stories. She learned not to judge a book by its cover. At first, Max seemed shy, but once we talked, he turned out to be super funny and kind. That's why you shouldn't judge a book by its cover.